Good evening, my people. A little issue. I don't know if it's me alone who saw what took place and wondering. You saw my dress, you saw my ear look, you saw my hat look, you see the green, you see the blue? Mother ass. It's like this industry that in Jamaica named reggae dancehall music. I don't understand how them do them maths when them thinking of or doing things like this. Yes, people, I'm talking about the event that took place last night. And how the stage manager or the stage organizer or the promoter of the event, how I look at it, it is deliberately because they want to get rid of artists that come from the 90s fast and quick. And I wonder why. Why they want to get rid of the 90s artists them? 90s artists, we need to get on a priority straight. We need to get on a contract in place. We need to get on a time spot in our contract. The time we want to work and the time we don't want to work. And whosoever book on has to stick that, especially at event like this where more than 30 artists step on it. So, until you do things like that, when them come at you, they don't want to honor your contract, then you don't do what you need to do. You have to be professional like the rest of artists, them like what I saw, perform on the same event, and then big like wow, but them no pass. And no cater, oh, them charge much in million, there's no pass a certain time performing on this event. And the promoter them know that. Foreign and Jamaica. So far, if you're gonna showcase the 90s artists them and make the people them know so say them bad and them have substance and relevant for the future, because yeah, put them where people can see them. Give them a good time span. I don't understand it. This is so shady and disrespectful, bluntly. I don't get it. Una say dancehall best era in this music is 90s, and why una do 90s music so? And 90s artists? Eh? Una feel nobody don't want to see it? Yeah man, whole people want to see it. But because it's for the platform, una make sure say them not see the artists them that the people them really want to see. Seriously? Seriously? Big up to every artist who do them thing. But me have to tell you something. This industry of artists, only need to learn from who was before. I saw a lot of them came out last night. Most of them. One just deal with the hype and the presentation. Most of the presentation is not up to hype on a platform like this. And I know Vice, don't know for certain reason. One no sound same like one of them on the 45. If I'm alone I say that, but and somehow no need to don't know to take down the things that people can't hear on the Vice. Knowing a one job to come in. Knowing to mix. Knowing to shout. And to get yourself on keys. Cha-cha. Anyway, people, I'm not stay too long in the car. They're not too like me, so. Cha. Your thoughts. Your thoughts and mine. They need to do some better if them go do another event like this and invite a 90s artist. All tonight now, I wonder what them will do with them 90s and 80s artists, yeah. We need to make people see the people them. We honor the people and put the people them in the venue ram. Hey. Yo, Jamaica artists, the foundation want them on stand up for something, on a far for everything. You saw the young one them stand up because them learn off a we on the office stand up. And young artists, just learn the business a little bit more, learn the craft a little bit more, learn how to handle yourself a little bit more, and you go up on stage and everything will be okay. Wake up on yourself, but promoter, give respect as far respect due. Yes, sir. John was